what came in the mail. So right now I have like some random oval canister. I got the mini 8-inch 200 millimeter shorty circle. So this is my 1999 Yamaha R6. So I picked this up. It was a reconstructed title. Someone wrecked her good. Wrecked her real good. But the only thing that's different is I think these like clip-ons are different. They're aftermarket. I had to put a new clutch cable on. I'm not sure if these mirrors are aftermarket or not. The turn signals got flush. These things right here. License plate light. Spools are starting to fall out. So here is the old muffler. Now Delkevic said no jetting needed. So I'm not sure what the jetting is. I think it's running really, really rich. Like it shoots out really. It's like a dragon. It shoots out really big flames. I have the bottom fairing off. Oh, I got my Black Widow 3-piece ramps. Be making a video of those too. They're really good ramps. Got my mower stack. That's what I've been up to. Kawasaki corner, of course. Good old barn find Suzuki. And I'm still waiting on that reed valve, the RC2 rad valve by Boya Sound for my Beta 300. This motor Tassinari, that's the only thing that's holding me back right now. Is those motor Tassinari reed pedals flew into my engine, chopped them up, and I hope they shot out the exhaust pipe. I don't know. So that's the only thing that's holding me back right now. I don't have a reed valve. So, right now, it's Yamaha R6. Let's get started. Okay, I'm really gonna edit all this. Trying not to mess stuff up. Okay. This is the Delkevic 8-inch mini review. Let's get started from our R6. So as soon as you open this up, it comes with they'll give you some exhaust sealant. Now, I think before they gave you like a red tube of this stuff. So instant gasket. This is a big. That's really cool. I'll pull out the small stuff. This is your. Ooh, I don't know about that. Ooh. Kind of got tacos. I got the link pipe YZF 0698-02. Gasket inside. I am getting excited. Whoa, the muffler's in its own thing. Alright, let me, with some paperwork, let me see if this says. So this thing is supposed to be not super loud. No, they say like it's okay for the UK decibel levels, but who knows? So this is what you get. You get the mini 8-inch steel round muffler. The Fit 98 2 R6s. The silencer round. Link pipe. Round muffler B strap. High temp silicone. And now we're gonna open up the granddaddy. Now, I did get the stainless steel, I didn't get the carbon fiber. Because I love chrome. I like chrome. I like chrome. Okay. I'm getting goosebumps. I'm getting sweaty. So you UK guys. Dun, 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 Guys, this thing is sexy. Seriously, this is as big as a car muffler. This is as big as my Civic. Check out my Civic videos. First thing I'm doing is I'm pulling that thing out. Now, what's funny is they gave you this silencer baffle with handing puzzle and this thing. But it already has. Unless I'm thinking of something different. So, but anyways, I can't wait to put this thing on. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do like a how-to or just slip it on or